Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This is a quick one. As you can probably see, I got these dark out lenses on 1, 2, 3, but not on 4 because 4 has been replaced. So what I did was I ended up grabbing a set and we're gonna see what they look like together. So let me go grab the box and we'll pop them out and we'll see what we got. So I'm guessing these pop on just like this. So they're blackout. Looks like they got two-sided tape here. So we'll just press into place right there and right there. So instead of using this, it's going to black out the red as well, but you'll still be able to see the red shine through when it's dark. So we'll have to see how it looks in the dark. But I think before I get started, I'm going to take the old ones off so they're all the same. So no stickers. No stickers. Rude. Alright, so this is rounded at a bit of an angle, so I'm guessing that goes there. It's off. Okay. So that looks like that. That'll go right there. Well, that actually looks pretty sweet. Alright, respect. So that one's there. And this is how this one looks. Follows our same kind of hookup. So that'll go there. Black out. Let's see. Alright, well, throw in the comments, tell me what you think. Do you like them? Do you not like them? Should I go back to the stickers? I got the red here, so this being blacked out should be okay. You're only going to see these when it's dark. The red shining through, and then obviously the reverse lights, you know, those will come through like normal. So that's the setup right there. All right, let's grab something to peel those off. All right, out with the old, in with the new. Make sure these line up just like the other ones. So that'll be this direction here, like that. And last but not least, childproof. I want to go just like that. All right, let's clean these off. A little bug and tar remover. Alright, super simple. We got the two-sided tape. Just like that. Ooh. Strong. That tape is no joke. It's good. So I'll judge that by about, it's like a 1/4 inch. Because once it's on, it's on. Quarter inch. What do you think? Blacked out? All right. Tell me what you think. Throw it in the comments. Oh, lights.